Whimsical pearly dresses or animal prints with burlesque flair, red carpet glamour or potato sack couture for the autumn-winter 2021 season. Moschino creative director Jeremy Scott detected that one motif was not enough, so he designed a collection with five instead, debuting during Million Fashion Week in a film called Jungle Red. The styles are unveiled in a gilded theater with a rotating set, featuring a cast of characters including Data Von Teese, Stella Maxwell, Precious Lee, Winnie Harlow, Hailey Bieber, and Sojo Park. Mae Musk, mother of Chase William Elon Musk, is the show's presenter. Griffin of the famous theater scenes in George Clooney 1939 film The Woman were an all-woman cast played by the likes of Joan Crawford and Joan Fontaine. Attend a live show to see the latest fashion styles on stage. Scott's inspiration is an imagined 20th century camouflage woman present with an updated sensibility. A notable difference is the much more diverse group of women to clothes all white ensemble, and Scott has also included models of different sizes and ages. There's not just one archetype of age and beauty. American-born Scott said of his appealing cast, "There are many different races, there are different body types, so in sense that is much more true to life but not true to film or true to the kind of archetypes that Hollywood world perpetuated, especially in the 1930s. In the Moschino fashion film, the model shift from weekday work to weekend leisure with visits to art museums, the theaters, and the countryside. The film takes its name from a coveted nail polish hue in Cooker. I love this kind of nostalgic presentation, says Scott in a video interview for Style. Due into the imagination of fashion week during the global health crisis, the film is a second unconventional showing for the Italian label signed last year for his spring-summer 2021 collection. Scott and Marion is wearing tiny Moschino look down a runway set with doppelgangers of famous fashion faces in the crowd. I have been very fortunate to be able to find another way of expressing myself outside of the traditional fashion show with having everyone gather together, which is not possible this time, said Scott. A little joy and levity. Jungle Red mixes camp and glamour with models walking the stage during each vintage. There are plenty of signature Moschino sketch with own model wearing a statuesque windmill atop her chingon hair coil with other walk out in bell-sleeved potato skirts and oversized hair balls, reminiscent of the Marilyn Monroe suit in which she provided that she could look good wearing nothing but burlap. The first business look of Flickr had tiny print-striped hats and tailored set among a New York City set give way to a pastoral scene featuring bubbles with various designs printed with fluffy coals, grassy fields, and crows. Meanwhile, spectators at a museum were wide-brimmed hats and glamour pencil strips as a painting comes alive with models as one-stroke painted grounds, trying the urban safari, replete with first-planet jungle models flower around in animal-inspired outfits, including a long-tailed gold alligator, two big script shirt, and a black one-shoulder mini dress with a glinty hemless flamingo. Finally, at a theater, the models ran about in red carpet brown and corpse with sickly jewelry and stars and hills, as well as one ceramic spell in the shape of horse's blood. Everything glows.